Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install PostgreSQL on Linux. So at the beginning I will go into the browser and I will go into the official PostgreSQL site in order to see the steps that we need to do our installation. And maybe at the beginning I will tell you what is PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is an advanced open source database management system. So this is very useful, and now I will show you how to install it. So we will type in PostgreSQL for Linux, and here we have the site. This is the official site, postgresql.org. We can click on that, and here we have some options. If you're using Debian, you can choose the Debian option, so click on it and use it. If you are using Red Hat distributions and the similar one, to Red Hat distribution, so for example Fedora I think should work here, you can use that. If you are using OpenSUSE, you can use OpenSUSE. If you are using other Linux distribution, you can use other Linux distribution, or it doesn't work, so you can basically use only the 4. If you are using Ubuntu, exactly like me, you can use this. So I will go into it, and here we have two options. The first option that we will use is very easy. It is sudo apt install PostgreSQL. The second one is more advanced. This version is using apt repository, and we are using this you have to do it basically by yourself. So if the version included in your version of Ubuntu is not the one you want, you can use PostgreSQL apt repository, and you have to do this command on your own. The second, and then you have to use basically this command to install it. But we will use this command from there. This is very easy, so I will show you how to do it. So you can do it by typing in sudo apt install with double L of course, and PostgreSQL, and you have to press enter. You have to type in your password, and now we have to wait, of course, in order to install it. Do you want to continue? Of course we want to continue, so we will press Y in order to our installation. And now, as you can see, it's almost at the end, and now I will make it a little bit bigger. And now after it we'll check the status. So now we can check the status. So sudo systemctl status postgresql, like this. As you can see, for me it is active and it's enabled, so it is fine. But if you for you it might be, for example, disabled or inactive, you can use the commands like this. So sudo systemctl again, start postgresql, and sudo systemctl start, not start but enable postgresql. Like this you can use this command, and after it again you can use sudo systemctl status like this, and it should work. And maybe I will show you how to check the version. You can check the version by typing in psql -- version. As you can see, we have a version 16.11, and I will show you how to log into PostgreSQL. You can do it by typing in sudo -e and -user postgres, like this. You can press enter, and from there you can basically start the PostgreSQL shell like this. So psql, and it is working. You can do whatever you want in here. You can quit that by typing in like a reverse slash and q, and I can go back to my account, so like this. And this is how you can install PostgreSQL on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.